What's up, guys? We finally made it to the Big Apple. First stop, getting some fuel at this amazing local cafe. Now we're jumping on the subway to explore the city. There is honestly nothing quite like this skyline at sunset. What's up?
I perfect wireless earbuds. They have amazing crystal clear sound, an insane long battery life, and the most comfortable fit ever. They don't even fall out when I move. Trust me, you need these in your life. You guys,
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever imagined creating realistic AI videos, animated cartoons, and even your own talking AI avatar without using complicated editing software? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Gemini Omni, also known as Gemini Live, like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. The first thing we're going to do is open ChatGPT, because ChatGPT will help us generate creative prompts that we can use inside Gemini Omni. Once ChatGPT opens, type this prompt. Give me at least 6 different video generation prompts that I can use with Gemini Omni. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate several different ideas. You'll usually get prompts for travel vlogs, product advertisements, cooking videos, AI influencer content, educational videos, and motivational videos. These prompts are extremely useful because they save a lot of brainstorming time. Instead of thinking about what to create, we can simply focus on generating amazing content. Now, open a new browser tab and search for Gemini. Open the official Gemini website and access Gemini Omni or Gemini Live if it is available in your region. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your Google account. Once you arrive on the homepage, take a moment to explore the interface. You'll notice that everything is designed to be very simple and beginner-friendly. On the left-hand side, you'll see different options, and one of them is videos. Click on Videos. This is where all the magic happens. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video generation prompt. Return to Gemini Omni and paste it into the prompt box. Before generating the video, you'll notice aspect ratio options. You can choose 16:9 for YouTube videos or 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. I'll keep the default 16:9 option because we're creating a standard YouTube video. Now click the Submit button and let Gemini start generating the video. Depending on the complexity, this may take a few moments. And there it is. Our AI-generated video is ready. Take a look at the preview.
What's up, guys? We finally made it to the Big Apple. First stop, getting some fuel at this amazing local cafe. Now we're jumping on the subway to explore the city. There is honestly nothing quite like this skyline at sunset.
Notice how AI transforms a simple text prompt into a complete visual scene. This is absolutely incredible because just a few years ago, creating videos like this required expensive software, professional editors, and hours of work. Now let's continue. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. Return to Gemini Omni, paste it into the prompt box, and click Submit again. You'll notice that every prompt produces a completely different type of content. One prompt may generate a cinematic travel vlog, another may generate a product commercial, another one could generate a cooking tutorial. This is why prompts are extremely important. The better your prompt is, the better your final output will be.
you guys, I perfect wireless earbuds. They have amazing crystal clear sound, an insane long battery life, and the most comfortable fit ever. They don't even fall out when I move. Trust me, you need these in your life.
Continue doing the same thing with the remaining prompts. Simply copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini Omni, and generate a video. Once all the videos are ready, spend some time previewing each one. Observe how camera angles change. Observe how lighting changes. Observe how motion and transitions vary depending on the prompt. This will help you understand how powerful prompt engineering really is.
What's up, guys? We finally made it to the Big Apple. First stop, getting some fuel at this amazing local cafe. Now we're jumping on the subway to explore the city. There is honestly nothing quite like this skyline at sunset.
You guys, I perfect wireless earbuds. They have amazing crystal clear sound, an insane long battery life, and the most comfortable fit ever. They don't even fall out when I move. Trust me, you need these in your life.
Now, let's explore something even more exciting. Did you know that Gemini Omni can also help create cartoon-style videos? To do this, we first need a cartoon image. Open a new chat, then type this prompt. Give me a prompt to generate a random cartoon-style image. Once the image generation prompt appears, copy it. Now, paste it into Gemini and submit it to generate a cartoon image. Within a few moments, Gemini will create a colorful cartoon illustration. Once the image is generated, download it to your computer. Now, let's transform that image into a video. Go back to the Videos section. You'll notice an image upload icon. Click on it and upload the cartoon image you just downloaded. Now, we need a video prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the video prompts we generated earlier. Return to Gemini Omni and paste it into the prompt area. Then click Submit. What's fascinating is that Gemini can now use both your image and your text instructions together. This gives AI more context and helps generate even better videos. Sometimes Gemini may generate multiple versions.
Welcome to New York City. Times Square is absolutely incredible. Now we are grabbing some coffee. This is so good. Let's hop on the subway. This city moves so fast. Look at this sunset view.
Take a look at them side by side.
What's up, guys? We finally made it to the Big Apple. First stop, getting some fuel at this amazing local cafe. Now we're jumping on the subway to explore the city.
Notice how each version may have slightly different animations, movements, and storytelling styles. This is extremely useful because you can choose the version you like best without creating everything from scratch. Now, let's move on to one of my favorite features, creating your own AI avatar. To create your avatar, click the plus icon. Look for the Avatar Creation option, then start building your digital personality. Customize your appearance, hairstyle, clothing, and overall style. Take your time because this avatar will represent you. Once your avatar is ready, click the plus icon again and select Avatar. You should now see your personalized AI avatar available for use. Now comes the fun part, making your avatar speak. Go back to ChatGPT one more time. Type this prompt. I have created my own AI avatar using Gemini Omni. Give me a prompt to make the avatar speak some dialogues. ChatGPT will generate a complete dialogue prompt. Copy the prompt and return to Gemini Omni. Paste it into the prompt box and click Submit. Wait for Gemini to process everything. And there you have it.
If you're interested in AI, online business, and content creation, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing practical tutorials that anyone can follow.
Your own AI avatar is now speaking naturally. Pay attention to the facial expressions. Observe the eye movements. Look at the lip synchronization. Notice how realistic the entire experience feels. And that's it for today's complete beginner's guide on how to use Gemini Omni like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more AI tutorials because we're going to explore many more amazing AI tools together. And let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. Was it AI video generation, cartoon animation, or the AI avatar feature? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.